Unpack the bag and check if the spare parts completed. Panel, lock body, cylinder, spare parts, test card, battery. Batteries are prepared by customers. First step, install lock body. Mount the metal dam board first. Put the lock body into the door which has been holed. Fix the lock body top and bottom with small screw. Install cylinder. Fix the cylinder on the lock body with hex screw. Next, install the square rod. Noted, please insert the slot side into lock body. Insert the Viminios square rod into lock body first. Then insert the short square rod. At last, insert the short rod to outside too. Adjust the arrow M at the spring bolt direction. Then insert square rod. Pull out of the key. Step 2. Install panel. Connect the data transmission line of the panel and lock body. Plug the excess wire into the door hole and close the panel. Noted that the grooves on the panel are aligned with the square rod, then insert. Next, install back panel. Connected the data transmission line. Plug the excess wire into the hole. Close the back panel after aligning the handles and square rod. Fix the panel with long screw. Next, install the battery cover. Take out the dam board first. Then insert for PCSA battery. After insert battery, install the dam board. Connect power transmission line. After close the battery cover, please fix it with screw. After installation, test the function if working normal. Finally, install the dam board that dismounted before. The install finished.